Every day, we invest in generating demand. Campaigns, websites, events, all creating signals from potential customers. But when these signals are fragmented, we don't see the full picture. And when we don't see the full picture, we miss opportunities to convert them into sales.
The world is connected like never before. Billions of people. Endless signals, constant noise. But when everything connects, something gets lost. Focus fades, meaning blurs, and as we rush forward, the essentials, understanding, attention, care, begin to drift away. Today, we live in a universe of data. Signals rushing through space, fragments floating everywhere, messages, notifications, dashboards, pieces of information drifting without direction. But without context, without structure, without meaning, it's pure chaos. The more we measure, the less we see. And in all this movement, in all this noise, something far more important begins to disappear. Customers, market share, market potential, even the power of your brand. Not with a crash, not with an explosion, but silently, like stardust slipping into the dark. Because when nothing connects, the things that matter most fall through the cracks, vanishing before anyone even sees them. Collected, but never connected. But today, we finally have the ability to bring it all together. To connect every source, every signal, every interaction into one living ecosystem. Website, email campaigns, Google Ads, social media ads, webinars, content, all orbiting with purpose, where the customer stands at the center, like a sun, and every activity aligns around them. This is where chaos becomes order, where data becomes intelligence, where the story begins to make sense. Let me invite you into the future of digital communication, where people do the thinking, and automation and AI takes care of everything else. Where efficiency begins the story, the customer stands at the center, and profit comes as the outcome. Meet Simon, a hotel owner. Like many businesses, he faces a very real challenge: grease management in his hotel kitchen, something that needs to work flawlessly without taking time away from his guests. So Simon does what we all do. He searches online for a solution. At exactly the right moment, he sees a message that speaks to his problem. Not noise, relevance. He clicks and arrives at a place designed to help, not to overwhelm. An intelligent assistant answers his questions immediately, clearly. No waiting, no frustration, just guidance. Over the next days, Simon receives useful information, real examples, proven solutions, references from businesses like his. Now Simon is ready, not pushed, not rushed, simply confident that he's making the right decision. The solution is installed, the problem disappears, and Simon can focus again on what matters most: his guests. That's the power of understanding a customer's journey and having the ability to react to it. Delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. I get it now. This is how it works. This is how it should work. every Simon, every customer, flowing through one connected system. Signals become insights, processes become automatic, and people can focus on what truly matters: creativity, care, connection. That's not science fiction. That's ACO.
Understanding creates action. Action to the right person at the right moment with the right message. That's how opportunities turn into sales.